Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you love surrounding yourself with beautiful, beautiful ambiance? If that's the case, then you want to check out these really pretty mosaic lanterns from Cooo. These lanterns are so pretty to look at. They have beautiful glass that really mimics ocean colors. I love how these hand-placed tiles look so elegant and these lanterns are so well made. The funnest part about them is that at dusk, they automatically start to come on and they cast a really beautiful glow in my outdoor seating area. I really like that the solar panels on top really collect the sun all day. I don't have to worry about reminding myself to recharge these. The sun does all the recharging for me. The lanterns are super cute if you have an outdoor seating area. You could also hang them thanks to the sturdy metal attachments, but I really love how beautiful and how glowy that they get in the dark. They're beautiful colors. They really are nice and peaceful and calm, and they're a nice, beautiful glass piece that really feels like it's durable and that I'll be able to use next year as well. These are a great feature that you can add into your outdoor space, and that's my point of view.